They can do what she do. UrbanSy, she the truth. UrbanSy, she the baddest, flyest person in the room. Not gon' lie, yeah, she get to the bag. Ain't gon' lie, nobody could play with her heart, cause she know the word. And one thing about it, nobody put in there more work. And they like, Sy, how you do that? They didn't think her life would ever change, and they knew that. Now she lit on YouTube, I guess she really knew that. Now these people all up on her body, gotta move that, cause she ain't playing no game.
Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl UrbanSy, aka Syanne, and I am back with another video. Can you guys even tell that I'm wearing a wig right now, or did y'all thought it was my real hair? Because I woke up this morning, I looked in the mirror, and I almost forgot that I was wearing a wig, okay? If you guys want to see how I got this amazing, beautiful look, natural looking wig installed, stay tuned for this video because I'm about to show you guys the details of where I got this hair from and how I got it installed. When I tell you guys this hair was super simple to install, very easy. When I tell you guys this hair is beginner friendly and it looks flawless, I mean it. So stay tuned for the rest. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl UrbanSy, aka Syanne, and I am back with another video. Today I am going to be getting this wig installed, as you guys can see from the title. When I tell you guys I'm excited for this install today, I'm excited. But basically I'm just doing a review on this wig. Thank you to Alipearl for sponsoring this video. Let me just talk about this wig for a second. First of all, when this wig came in the packaging, when I tell you the hair is soft, the hair is soft. So this is a 24-inch deep wave wig. The pre-pluck was pre-plucking on this. Like when I tell you, you can just take this straight out the box. You don't really have to pluck if you don't want to. Like, and when I'm telling you this is like a beginner friendly wig, it's giving beginner friendly. Super soft. Even after washing it, the hair is soft. And y'all, if you guys ever had a deep wave wig before, you know sometimes they be coming in hella dry. But let me show you guys what came in my box. I'm not sure if this comes with like every wig that you get, but what they sent me in the box was this little, I think this is an edge wrap, like to wrap your edges at night or something, a little silky head wrap thing. They have the melt band, an edge brush. They gave me some lashes. These are rather long, not really my forte. And then it comes with 2 wig caps, and they give you this little baggie that you can put your wig in, like if you want to save it after you take it off. Like super cute. Okay, Ali, you're given. And then inside the box, it comes with this little pamphlet that shows you how to wash the hair and like gives you all the instructions for it if you're not sure. So far it's giving beginner friendly. So far it's giving I don't have to put in too much work to get this wig installed. So I'm gonna be having Janelle install this wig for me. So y'all are about to see the beginning to end process, and maybe I'll get her to tell you guys like how it was bleaching the wig, because she bleached the knots. She told me that it was pretty easy to bleach and like everything was really well, and this is giving me high quality. So yeah, we'll have her come in and tell you like a few words about it, and then we're just gonna install this wig.
So far guys, this wig is so nice. Like when I was bleaching it and everything, no issues. Usually sometimes when you're bleaching knots for a wig, like some of the knots come out bleach, some don't, but this one was very easy to bleach. The plucking, as Syanne said before, was already giving when I took out the box. Like just looking at the wig, very good quality. So I can't wait to do this install for Syanne.
What is the lace giving though? Is the lace
giving the melt is gonna be,
yeah, the lace is giving thin right now, which means it's a good sign. So yeah, let's see how this install goes. We're excited.
Get some in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. I'm trying to be a nuisance. This is urgent. Trying to make some simple change. Got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of when he was holding me. Choose the right, but it will be up in front of me. All the while, I leave my all my feelings. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always always inside, good living in my mind. Hold me on my fears, my lips.
They just wanna fuck with you. Just they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you're my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away. Oh, no. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, so child. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. So tonight you should go and take a chance with her. She could be everything you wanted, boy. Don't let
Whoa, whoa, yeah. Sometimes we laugh and sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town.
So this is the final look. Let me set down the camera and give you guys more of like a, I'm putting down the camera so you can kind of see. It goes to like my full back length, like the top of my butt length. The hair is really soft. The lace was really good. Like, do you see the lace? You don't see nothing. You don't see nothing, like. But yes, you guys, this hair is amazing. If you guys are interested in purchasing this hair, all of the information will be linked in the description below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's UrbanSy, and we out. Peace.